Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to prepare a very iconic drink from Ghana and it's called Asana, aka Ghanaian Coca-Cola. We also call it Ekleme or Aliha. This drink is best served with ice cubes and sometimes you can add milk to it to enhance the taste. However, it tastes good as well without the milk. Adding the milk is optional. The making of this drink is long, I must say, but it's worth it once you are done making it. Let's get down to business. The main ingredient is dry white corn or maize. Wash the corn, then add water to it, cover it airtight, and leave it in a warm place for 3 days. So it's day 3 today, and this is how it looks. So what we are going to do is we are going to take the corn out of the water and put it in a basket or any bowl with holes in them. Ideally, you will need a breathable container or a basket, that is a bowl or a basket with holes in it. You can use a tray if you don't have a basket or any bowl with holes in them. So just put the corn on the tray and then spread it apart. For this drink, we need the corn to germinate, so we are going to sprinkle water on it twice a day, morning and evening. After that, you cover it with a napkin. It's day 2. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to sprinkle water on it. You can see some roots on the corn. Okay, so we're going to sprinkle water on it morning and evening, and then we cover it. We are going to do this for 3 days. It's day 3 today, and look at that. Can you see? See how beautiful it is. So that's the roots coming up. Yeah. Okay. Beautiful. This drink is a long process, but it's so worth it. I haven't tasted Asana for a long time. So I noticed that the dye color on the basket was coloring the corn seed. So just be careful when using any basket with colors on them, okay? So I sprinkled water on the corn for the last time, and then we will begin the drying process. This is how the germinated should look like. Now it's ready to dry. So we're going to spread our germinated corn onto a tray or a flat surface. Okay, so we're going to begin the drying process. So I spread the corn on a parchment paper on a tabletop. So you can spread the germinated corn on any flat surface that you want. All we need is the corn to dry. Okay, the hot weather helps the corn to dry faster. However, I dried mine indoors because it was raining, so I dried mine indoors. We need the germinated corn to be brown like this, and then we are going to crush it. So after crushing, this is how it should look like. It shouldn't be too powdery. Okay, as you can see some bits in it. So I'm going to scoop 1 cup, which is around 120 grams, into my pot, and then I'm going to add 4 liters of water into the pot. At this point, we're going to put it on fire and we are going to bring it to a boil. So I am going to cook this for about an hour. Give it a stir at some point. This is optional, but I like to give it a stir. So we are going to start making the sugar syrup. Add some water, not a lot of water, and then we're going to add in the sugar. I will leave all the ingredients and the measurements in the description box. Give it a stir and let it cook. We need to cook the sugar till it turns into a dark brown color. And make sure the corn solution is still on fire. Do not switch the cooker off. Now the sugar solution is ready. As you can see, it's dark brown. So we're going to strain the corn solution into the dark brown sugar syrup. Okay, now word of caution, guys, be very careful as you pour the corn mixture into the sugar. This process can be a bit dangerous, so you need to be careful when pouring the corn mixture into the sugar solution as it splatters. Okay, so you need to be careful in order not to burn yourself. And as soon as you pour in the corn mixture into the sugar, switch your gas cooker off. And voila, our Ghana Coca-Cola is ready. Our Ekuleme Asana Aliha is ready. Okay, do not throw the corn residue away, as you can add more water to it to make more Asana corn solution. And that is exactly what I did. I added about 2 liters of water to the rest of the corn to make more Asana corn mixture. So our Asana is ready. At this point, you have to let it cool down. The Asana is cool now, so we're going to strain it with cheesecloth. This is actually optional because when I strained it, I didn't get enough chaff out of it. So ideally, you don't actually need to strain it because you don't get enough of the chaff. Like I said, there is not enough residue from it. Okay, so if you don't have cheesecloth, you can just, drink it like that. So Asana is best served with ice cubes. Beautiful. I remember when my grandma prepares asana, she leaves it to sit for 2 to 3 days before serving it. So I left mine to sit for 2 to 3 days and it's ready to serve with ice. But you may drink your asana after cooking it on that same day. But always remember to add ice cubes. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you try this recipe. till the next video, bye for now.